Hello everyone, I'm Janice and today I am in a quarry right now and I would like to introduce you about our block, the 5-grain block. This kind of block very suitable for doing carving and statue. Let's see. There's a lot, many 5-grain block available in our quarry right now. And all are very perfect for doing carving and statue. Thảo ơi, bạn đã chọn viên nào em chụp lại cho chị. Here's a lot of block available in our quarry right now. You can see, I will show you some details of this one. I see very wide, 5-grain. You can see details of this one. 5-grain, very wide. This material is very perfect for the carving to the statues in India. Some 11. Wow, very perfect. You can see the 5-grain. And all the material here is very wide. And the 5-grain also. Very beautiful day in the quarry and our customer want come here to select many blocks available. You can come here. And this is one of our customers. They can come here. They come here and they select the block to do the carving and statue.